Hi guys, I've got my Stegosaurus back together now. So we did a lot of work in the control unit there. It's sound activated. The Stegosaurus has been up in my loft for about 5 years with the original batteries in it, so they had leaked, and they'd leaked over the circuit board, so we had a bit of work to do to get it working again. But it now appears to be working. Switch it on. I'll just push it back there a bit. Okay, that's that. And then he's sound activated. So if I clap my hands, he should start moving again. I don't remember if it does anything else. I think that's it. I'll just try double clap just in case that makes a difference, but I don't think it does. Oh, it did. Faster. His feet are slipping on the surface there. But yeah, so double clap and he goes faster. Single clap, slow walk. Double clap. I am so pleased to have got that working again. When I got it out the loft, obviously nothing happened when I tried switching it on. It's taken me about a week to get it back working again. Mainly because I had to order a replacement microphone for the sound activation. That's it though. It's ROKR. I've forgotten what the other word is. Oh, Robotime. ROBOTIME. ROKR Robotime. And they're laser cut wooden kits. And they're not available anymore, at least not this particular one, but there will be a link in the video description. Will there? Yeah, I think there will be, to the Robotime site. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.